Hello everyone. In this video, it will be shown how to sell stocks on Robinhood. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To get started, open the Robinhood app and navigate to the stock or ETF that you would like to sell. Once on the investments page, tap the trade button and then select sell. This will open the order entry screen where the default order type is typically a market order. Depending on your preferences, other order types may also be available. You can choose to sell a specific number of shares or sell a dollar amount if fractional shares are supported. For this example, a dollar-based sale is used. Enter the amount you would like to sell. In this case, $5 worth of the investment is entered. After entering the amount, tap Review. Robinhood will then display an order summary showing the estimated number of shares being sold, the investment selected, and the total value of the transaction. Carefully review all of the information to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. If everything looks accurate, swipe up or confirm the order to submit the sale. Once the order has been executed, the investment will be sold according to the selected order type and market conditions. After the sale is completed, the proceeds will be credited to your Robinhood account. However, the funds must first go through a settlement period before they can be withdrawn to a linked bank account. In most cases, stock and ETF sales settle within 2 business days. Once the funds have settled, they will become available for withdrawal. And that's all there is to it. Also, these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. If you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, there's a detailed review that goes over everything you need to know. The video should be up on your screen right now, so just click it to start watching.